I've seen these daily series on YouTube and Instagram about people's niche hobbies, jobs, professions, whatever it may be, day 1 to 100 or until I hit this many followers. Thought it'd be something interesting to adapt with the machines and knowledge we have here. Might strap the camera on someone else, have them explain their job a little better. Could be fun. A lot of these machines we have here, there is no video on the internet about them. The person we buy it from explains how to run it to us, and if we sell the machine, we explain how to run it to them. So could be something interesting, might not be. I need to set up this 1991 Haas CNC machine. I need to set up the work offset to it for this new jig we have in it. Gonna run through that today. Okay, go over here to our MDI mode. See, we have a 1-inch end mill in it. We want to set our edge finder. Our edge finder is tool 4. So we do T4 for tool 4. And we want to do M6. That's the code for a tool change. Click circuit start. Runs over to our edge finder. Okay. We want to erase the program. We want to start the spindle. I run it at 1100 RPM, so we do S, 1100, and then you want to do M3. That turns on the spindle in the clockwise motion. S 1100, M3, 1100 RPM, spinning in a clockwise motion. Press cycle start. See, it's spinning up here. This is our edge finder. We run this up against the edge of our jig to find right where the starting point is. See, we can spin it up here. It's wobbling around. Okay, to set our work offset, you click offset. See, we have G52 through G59. Those are our work offsets. That's the corner of the part, that's the corner of the vise, that's the corner of the jig, whatever it may be. You got a couple different ones here to run. I'm gonna run G57 since my other ones are occupied with different programs. Gonna go to our handle jog here. Okay, jog down, our Z-axis. Get it in place. Jog out with our Y-axis. We're gonna run this over right here to the edge of this part. Handle jog down. I want it to be a low, so just that little edge of the shank runs right against that part. Run it over with our X. See where we're at. We move that Z-axis down a little bit. Right there should be good. Okay, let's run our X a little closer. Okay, it stopped wiggling as much. Let's select 1000 on our handle jog increment. Run it in. You see it will stop wobbling. Each click we turn the jog handle. See, it stopped spinning. There we go. You see how it kicked off there a little bit? That's just what we're looking for. That means we have the edge of our part. So we'll go over here into our offset menu. G57, we want to set our X. Okay, the way we set our X is part set 0. Right there. Okay. Our shank on our edge finder is 0.2. We want that edge finder to be right in the middle of this side of the part. So we're gonna add 0.1 so it moves over so it's right dead in the middle. So we'll go over here, add 0.1, right. Perfect. Now we gotta set our Y. Jog over the X. I like to set it right in the middle of that jig there. And we want to jag up with our Y. Same thing, you see it stops wiggling, just like the thou. Just one click at a time here at the jog handle. Perfect, right there how it just barely set off. That's how we know we have the edge of our part. So we go over here again to offset. We're here Y, G57. You're gonna select that, part 0 set, click that. Perfect. And we want it to be the edge of the part right there. So we want to move the table out. And that's subtracting 0.1. Perfect. Emergency stop will stop our spindle. Move it up. Okay, now let's check and make sure we have the corner here. The code for that is G00, G90, G57. Then we set our X and Y, so we go X 0 decimal, Y 0 decimal. Click right, then cycle start. This will move. Let's see, we're set right over there at that corner. Jot down, check and make sure we're all good. We're set right there on the corner. That's how we set our G57 code on our 1991 Haas VF1.